No.
Let me see this one.
Let's see what's
Give your mom the card.
Well, I don't know who is that.
That's from us. That's from us.
It's not a book.
We got a book. It's a book. Grandpa wrapped it, so he wrapped it really good.
Wait.
Who's there's a book? There's not any more presents.
You really, yeah, you need a knife or scissors or something.
Ooh.
Look what you get there.
Something your dad can help you with.
You put this in the
What is it?
Building characters with clay.
Camera.
You think you can do that?
I know how to do this.
Oh, you know what you need is that old spaghetti maker.
Oh yeah.
Look at him.
Catherine can probably help you with it.
Right.
What's that parachute for?
You want to open it?
Piggy bank. Oh, you're going to save some money.
I got a present too.
You did.
Awesome, huh?
What you got?
And what kind of present I got?
Here.
From your shirt?
No, can I?
What does it say on there? Love me. Something else too.
Love
It looks like a Pac-Man shirt, but it's not a Pac-Man shirt.
I know what it is. A Hello Kitty shirt.
Oh, is it a Hello Kitty? That's what it is.